Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to integrate custom fonts in GoHighLevel. I've already opened a template page inside the editor. Now, if we go to the typography settings from the editor menu, we can see that fonts are already selected for both the headline and content text. If we want to change the font for either the headline or the content, we simply need to click on the font name. That brings up a pop-up window. Here, under Recent Fonts, you'll see a few fonts that were used recently. These are shown for quick access. If you want to choose a font from outside this Recent Fonts list, click on the Select Google Font drop-down, and it will show you all the available Google fonts. However, if your brand font isn't listed there, you'll need to upload it as a custom font to use it in the landing page. And that's exactly what we're going to show today. So, let's get started. Right now, our headline font is set to Montserrat, but for example, we want to use the Superior Medium font instead. Since it's a custom font, I've already downloaded the font file to my computer. Now, just to make things easier for you, I've downloaded 3 different versions of the font: OTF, TTF, and WFF2. Next, we're going to upload the font file to our media storage. To do that, we'll go to the Media Storage section from the Account dashboard. Here's something important to note: if you try to upload an OTF or TTF file, you'll get a file type error. But WFF2 files are supported, so we'll be uploading that version. That's exactly why I prepared multiple file types in advance. If you've downloaded a font file in a format other than WFF2, or if your client has provided it in another format, you can easily convert it using an online tool like CloudConvert. Just upload your file and convert it to WFF2. Once your font is uploaded to media storage, hover over the file and click the 3 dots. From there, select Get Link and copy the file URL. We'll need that in a moment. Now, we'll use a custom font face CSS code to add the font. Just copy this CSS code and paste it into the custom CSS section. I've already prepared the code for you, and you'll find it in the video description below. In this code, simply replace the src URL with the link you just copied. Also, make sure to update the font family name in both places inside the quotes. Use the same name consistently. I'm keeping the font style set to normal. And here, I've used a class name called Superior Font. You can name it anything you like, but I recommend using something meaningful, like the font's name. Go ahead and copy this class name. Now save the changes and exit the custom CSS section. Next, select the text element where you want to apply the new font. Go to the Advanced tab, paste the class name into the custom class field, and press Enter. You'll instantly see the font update applied to your text element. To be extra sure, we can save the page and preview it in a new tab. If you have a browser extension like WhatFont installed, you'll be able to easily check the font details. In the same way, wherever we apply this class name across our landing page, the font family will automatically update for those text elements. I hope everything was clear. If you face any issues or have feedback about the video, feel free to let me know in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.